am Pratik. I have completed my internship in WebStack Academy in domain of Munstack. In this project, I represent my project that is AI-powered food ordering system. Let's the internship overview. Organization is WebStack Academy. Domain is full stack, means month development. Duration is 1 month and mode is the online. Next is goals of the internship. Learn the full stack development means the front end means the front end, back end, and the database like the MongoDB. Build real world project, understand the APIs and the back end integration, integrate the payment system by using this type, and they learn AI based technologies like the we use the Grok. Next is the project overview. In this project overview, we understand the online food ordering system. In this, we browse the restaurant, fetch the data about the restaurant, add items to cart in the admin panel, and place orders, and use this type for the payment gateway. Another is technologies we use. First is MongoDB. MongoDB is used for the store the data, and it is a dev NoSQL database. It is schemaless. Next is the Express.js. Express.js is the backend framework of Node.js. It handles the API and the server logic. Next is the React. It is a front-end library or the framework. It builds the responsive UI like the buttons, pages, or the cards. Another is the Grok. Grok is the it is a AI platform for the processing data. It helps to for smart analysis and the recommendation. It integrates in backend. Analyze the it's used in project like that analyze the restaurant or menu data. It's provide the intelligent suggestions. Next is Node.js. It is a runtime environment and it helps to connect the front end to the back end. Another is Stripe. Stripe is the online payment processing platform. It handles to secure transactions. In project, we use Stripe to help the user makes payment. Backends create the Stripe session and payment verified, payment confirmed. Then the Postman. Postman is used for the test APIs. It helps to developer to send request to backend. It's used in project for the test login or order APIs and debug the APIs backend endpoints. Next, what is the Munstack? In Munstack, there is MongoDB. MongoDB means the database. Express is the backend and the UI and backend and the handles API or server logic. And React is the front end library used for the UI. Next, other is Node.js. Node.js is the runtime environment. That's it. Another is the architecture and the workflow. In this, user interact with the front end. Means user interact with front end by using the React, and React sends the HTTP request to the backend. Then backend process the data or process the request to the database, and backend communicates with database. Then database back to respond to backend. Then backend sends respond to front end and front end display to user. This is the this is the backend calls like a backend's API like a Grok or the Stripe payments. Backend calls the Grok API for the AI processing and backends handle the payment via the Stripe. This is the workflow. I means user interacts with front end by React front end sends request. Previously I explained this slide. Next is key features. In key features, there are login and sign up authentication by using the JWT. Next is restaurant and menu listing and the add to cart functionality, order placement system, secure payment by using Stripe, admin dashboard, and the order tracking and management, AI-based analysis by using Grok integration, search food systems, order tracking and management, AI-based analysis. Next is challenges and solutions. In this project, we face the many challenges and issues. So we fix the payment issue and we resolve the card bugs. Also handle the image loading errors, handle the API integration bugs, and the debugging the AI part. Thank you. Next is the our project slide. This is our project. This is the back end of our food ordering system, and this is the front end. In this config, we have the config.env cloudinary controllers, middlewares, models, and many of these. Main important thing is the routes. This is the any this is the front end part. Public. This is image store in the by using the cloudinary. So we run the project. By using this command, we run our backend. So next is the front end. So our front end already run. So go to the URL. This is our user part and this is our admin part. Okay, so move to the user part. In this user part, we have the profiles or the logout system. Logout this. This pop-up is represented by the Toastify. So next we log in the this is the user part. Login is successful. Then we add item to the cart. Let's select the Dum Biryani restaurant. Then we select the Gobi Manchurian. Then go to the cart. Item we will add it to the cart. Then we select these two items. Next is the payment gateway part. Let's check out. They redirect to the Stripe. So in this Stripe we send the information. So Nisha address Bangalore. Let's click the pay. Now your order is processing and the order has been placed successfully. So go to cards to check the order. This order, we have see the orders. So check the backend. So sorry, check the database. There are users. This is our database: cards, food items, menus, orders, restaurants, and the users. So John is we created also. Then order in order. Where order is processing. Order info. So we click the processing to the deliver. Change the delay. Okay, then go to the project, refresh it. Okay, order has been delivered. So view, order status, name, Bangalore, amount, paid, two items. Okay, done. This is the AI insight and the reviews. Negative review, positive review by using the AI analyzer, by using the Grok. Okay, next we go to the admin part. This is the our user part. Here see the orders. So this is the our admin part. In admin part, we add or delete the restaurant. We add the items. So sorry. Yes, this is the restaurants. User can admin can delete the restaurant or add some items. So go to the any restaurant. So go to the Haldirams and add one item. So let's item. So go to the anytime. Name is the vada pav. Then price is the 20. So this is the AI descriptor. We use the AI model by using the Grok, AI Grok. So Grok is used for the processing data or the recommendation, smart analysis. So analyze the restaurant menu or data and provide the intelligent suggestion. So let's click. So here the AI will be give the suggestion or the description for the vada pav. Stock will be let's say image URL or the image URL will check. So copy the image address, go to the project, image URL with add, then add. Okay, let's go in any time. Hey there, vada pav is there, and AI suggestion also will be there. Vada pav is popular. Okay, so we can delete also. Delete the vada pav. So in any time vada pav will be deleted. Go to the restaurant. So we can delete any restaurants of this. Okay, we can go to the user part. Okay, see this. Okay, thank you. Our project will be completed. Let's log.